Adjong manggod, produkto manggod ni siya sa warlordism nato diri sa Mindanao. So I don't think he is the proper person to talk about decency, dignity, and civility.
Congressman Adyong Salanao po, urge Vice President Sara Duterte to stop her shame campaign against administration candidate and call on a political leader to restore decency, dignity, and civility in the conduct of electoral campaign. Anong reaction mo dito?
Okay, pahiram ko sa mga political
Grabe. Kay Adyong na dito.
Adjong, shame campaign against the administration o called on all political leaders to restore decency, dignity, and civility in the conduct of electoral campaigns. Si Adjong manggod, produkto manggod ni siya sa warlordism nato diri sa Mindanao. So I don't think he is the proper person to talk about decency, dignity, and civility. Kay ang iyahang pagdaog din sa Lanao tungod na sa grip sa ilahang dynasty.
Napa-BP.
Next. Contrary to her very outspoken nature, House Deputy Majority Leader Paula Ortega, the 5th of La Union on Monday, said impeached Vice President Sara had seemingly adopted what may be described as a deafening silence when China made illegal activities in the Philippines, Sandy Cay, which is part of the Spratly Group of Islands.
How China sees.
Kani si Kuan, isa pa ni si Ortega, mura pud ni siya og si Adyong. Produkto sa warlord. Si Ortega, maupod ni siya si Adyong. Produkto sa warlordism kini sa ato ang nasod. So, angay niya na mo-adopt po deafening silence. Kaya wa siya katungod mo abli sa iyahang baba. Where does her loyalty really lie? China or Philippines? From my perspective, it seems she knows nothing in campaign but to engage in political mudslinging, hit PBBM administration allies with China as her stone-etched template, accused Duterte. So, hindi pa obvious nga naako diri sa Pilipinas nagapangampanya para sa mga kandidato para sa ato ang nasod. So, of course, I am pro-Philippines and nothing else. She's been going around hitting almost everybody, but never China. Of course, kung ngano atakihon man ako ang China sa ato ang kampanya diri sa Pilipinas. Nga ang problema nato diri ang kawalan ng pagtutupad ng mga pangako, sama na sa 20 ang bugas. And finally, sa pangalan na niya? Kana iyang pangalan. Ayaw, don't change the topic, boy. The topic is promises made and broken again and again.
Last two questions.